Hi everyone, it's been a while since I've been on video because I hate talking to these things, but I've decided to bring back my product reviews, and the first one that I've brought back is from a company that's called Grimworkshop. Now, all of these cards go with dog tags, and it tells you about each dog tag that they do. Now, you can buy them individually, or you can get this little kit. Now, this little kit has your two dog tag protectors and your little keyring chains to go on them, or if you want to attach them to a necklace you can do. Now, in that box there's a mirror one, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dog tags. I think they're about $72.50. I'm not sure what that works transfers to in pound and other currency. But what I liked about these, let's just get rid of that out of the way so that I can concentrate. What I like about these, and I'm going to concentrate specifically on this one, which is the lockpick one, is you can take the pieces off and thanks to the black sticky bit at the back, you can as you can see, stick it back on, and which makes it a reusable dog tag. So like if you're carrying it around on a key ring, whatever, I've tried all sorts, make that drop off, look, that is pretty secure. Okay, so it's all very good that it stays on and it's reusable, but do they work? Well, we've got a lock. As you can see, it turns, take the key out, and it's locked. So let's see. Let's take the I've got a bee decided to join. Right. So let's see if it works. So you put one in the top bit to turn it and keep some pressure on it, and then you use the bottom one to click through the little levers inside. Alright, I'm going to be a little bit quiet because I'm going to be listening for the clicks, so let's see if it will work. Usually with my normal lock picks, these usually take me 1 to 2 minutes, so bear with me. There's one click, and it works. We can turn, ooh, try and get my fingers out of the way. It turns. Obviously if I turn it too far it locks again, but so yes, these tiny little dog tag lockpicks will work, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, they're still straight, so they will go back on there, and you can reuse them. So yep, they're functional, they're good quality, reusable, definitely recommend. I think they're about $7.50 each, but there's all sorts in there for you to use. There's an emergency mirror for flashing, bottle opener and can opener, emergency spear, gaff, fishing hook, whatever you want to call it. One of my favourites is the sewing kit. Some more fishing hooks, spear or arrowhead, spork, which is brilliant. It's actually really good and really useful with a little sort of knife type thing on the side. You've got your emergency strap cutter, so that'd be good for keeping in a car or something. You got your hex wrenches. That's another good one. That you can take that out and turn them into tweezers and suture kit. Tweezers good for if you're out and you get bitten by a tick. Just read up on how to take the ticks out, because you want to make sure you take them out properly. So that's another good one. And then you've got the one which I like because it's got the full size skull on it, which is just two different sorts of saw blades, but in the dog tag looks quite cool because you've got the Grimworkshop skull on it. Well, hope you liked the review. Hoped you liked the fact that I actually managed to show you that the lockpick worked. I think I actually managed to pick it quicker than I normally would, which is a good going. So yep, I'm going to go and batter that bee. Hope you enjoyed the review. See you next time.